Welcome to my store.
Okay, this is the front tank with the red parrot cichlids and the frontosas and silver dollar, red hook silver dollar, tinfoil barbs, a couple of sharks. Yesterday I noticed that they were cleaning rocks, so this girl here, she thinks she's going to have babies. So, see all those white dots on the rock? Those are all eggs. Okay. Now, of course, she's sterile, so they won't do any good. I think that's what she thinks is a boy, because his tube looks more pointy than hers. See, what she's doing right now is laying eggs. Okay, they go up and down in rows and rows and rows. And then ideally the male should come along and fertilize them, but that ain't gonna happen. Basically what will happen is these eggs will go fungusy, she'll eat them, the other fish will eat them. It's just more food for the tank, but it's a good indication that she's feeling good and happy and healthy, that she wants to reproduce and lay eggs. Now if this was a black rock and white eggs, but as you can tell, even up there there's no eggs, but there's white spots on it. Yeah, she'll do this for quite some time. She's been in this tank a couple months. She came from a customer that she grew too big, so I traded her in, and when we find a home for her, she'll move on. See how she chases everybody away? They become very protective when they got eggs. Seeing if we can see better on this side. A little bit. But the catfish, they'd be bad for them. They'd suck back all these eggs pretty quick. Okay, there's a pretty good picture.